I have a little bit of a pickle. I've got a trailer that I got to pick up to help somebody move. The problem is, I've got a 2-inch ball on my truck and I don't know where the key is. It's been locked on there for, I don't know, over 2 years at this point, and I cannot find the key. I've looked everywhere. I'm gonna attempt to break it off. Let's see if we can do this. Success. Old one off, and I've got here a new DuraSafe. This is their receiver lock, and I'm actually really excited that I needed to do this, is because the DuraSafe receiver lock, I have had this keyed to match all the other locks that I've got on the boat and trailers. Now, the key that I've already got in my keychain that I use daily for things like my E-locks, same key for that, same key for this. One of the nice features about using the DuraSafe products is you can have them all keyed the same way. Check out the DuraSafe locks. Just a great company to work with. Wisconsin based, if you didn't know that already. Anyways, I got to get out of here. I got to get this move started. Thanks for watching.